go.
Hi, my name is Misty Barnes, and I have a business called Solustrious Hair Rejuvenation, and I am in Southern California in an area called Westlake Village, and I have been dramatically affected by the government shutdown on my business. I treat clients that have hair loss and they are not covered by any kind of insurance. It's a cash pay business, and this is a business that I developed myself, and I invested pretty much my life savings in products to help people that have hair loss, and a lot of money was spent on patents and developing my process, and now I'm at a point where I can't see clients because a lot of what I do now is train doctors in my treatment. So I can last probably 2 or 3 more weeks at the most without any clients. All of my clients have canceled their appointments, and I've been forced to shut down. I am hoping that we can come to some kind of compromise, because I certainly won't be able to survive as a business if this continues indefinitely, and I need to get back to work.